Hey guys, here's the GMAT Ice Bucket Time Management Challenge for the 2nd of April. So why is it called Ice Bucket Challenge when no ice and no bucket is involved? Well, because you will pretty soon discover that you are either too slow or imprecise, and that will hit you just like an ice bucket challenge. So please stop this video right now, start your smartphone timer, and solve this problem on the screen. Then you may start this video again to see the solution and to listen to my explanations. Good luck! Stop this video right now and start your timer. Now that you are finished, let's see the solution. The strategy I used below is the PRS strategy, which is short for problem, reaction, solution. The first stage is problem type identification. That is, I looked for something familiar within the problem instead of focusing on its challenging aspects. I did this by scanning the problem for type triggers without reading. The red underlining shows the @ sign and the phrase "cannot be" as my type triggers. The end result of this stage is a type chain reaction shown also in red. Problem solving, algebra, defined operations, could not be true. Since I scanned instead of reading, this stage took me only 3 seconds. The second stage is reaction. In this stage, I set up the mathematical tools corresponding to the identified problem type, Venn diagrams, population grids, before, change, after tables, RTD and RTW charts, age grids, overlapping groups tables, and the list goes on and on. In this case, however, defined operations tells me instantaneously to set up an algebraic equality during the next stage. So this stage took me only 1 second, even though normally it would take me a little longer to quickly draw a diagram, grid, or table, say 3 seconds. The third and final stage is solution. This is the most time-consuming part of the process. It took me a whopping 11 seconds. In the solution stage, I usually read the problem chunk by chunk and transfer any data found into the mathematical tool set up in the previous stage. Once the data is organized this way, solving the problem becomes a piece of cake. Now, however, as I read chunk by chunk, I set up the anticipated algebraic equality. In addition, I zero in on further clues shown with blue underlining. Any numbers, if statement, and the question. Last but not least, I always make sure to circle the question, as misreading the question is one of the most frequent sources of error on the GMAT. Not only that, but the fact that y is asked for in a could not be true problem clues me in to isolate x. Then I quickly realize that x can only be a real number, as indicated by the blue underlining, any number, if the denominator is different than 0. Hence, y is different than 1. So the solution is D in a mere 15 seconds. Again, note that I have read the problem only once, while most students read the problem more than once. Reading the problem more than once is a tremendous waste of time. If you have found this explanation useful, please like this video, share it with others, bookmark my webpage, and support my Patreon account so that I feel motivated to make more such videos. Thanks for your help.